everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. It is a product review video, but it's with a product that I have never ever tried. And what I mean by that is it's magnetic eyeliner and lashes. I got this from iMETHOD on Amazon. They asked me to review this product for them and let them know how I feel about it and all of that stuff. So this is what I will be reviewing today. So as you guys can see, I just have some foundation contour. Yes, my brows are thick. I need to get them waxed. So don't nobody come for me in the comments at all, because I know how some people are. They will get on here, your eyebrows are too thick, blah blah blah. Mind your business. If you don't want to see these thick eyebrows because I need to get them waxed, then click out of the video. Simple as that. But anywho, let's go ahead and see what these magnetic lashes and eyeliner is all about. So I have never tried magnetic lashes. I know when they first came out, like, everybody was kind of curious, like, I wonder how these work. And quite frankly, like, I honestly have never been a fan of magnetic lashes. I didn't even really want to waste my time to try to see how they work out, because I was like, it's gonna be a complete fail. Still struggle trying to put on strip lashes. So like, can you imagine what I do with some magnetic lashes? Like, but iMETHOD asked me to review it and test it out, so I'm going to do that. So I will leave all the information down in the description box so you guys can check it out in case you are interested in seeing how these work. So pretty much this is how the packaging looks. My ring light is pretty bright, but this is how it looks. Kind of cute, kind of cute. And I just noticed this. It says diamond, so I don't know if that's like the name of the shades. I don't know the name of the shades, the name of the lashes or something. I don't know. So before I get into the product, in the box comes these two cards. This one just tells you the ingredients of what's in the magnetic eyeliner, and it also on the back it tells you some tips how to use and how to remove. And then this is just the little thing from iMETHOD, basically saying thank you for purchasing iMETHOD product. Please send us your order number and the screenshot of your review on Amazon, and we will send you a free gift. And on the back it has a coupon code that I can use for my next purchase. So the product comes in 3. So you have some tweezers, which I'm really usually not a big fan of these tweezers, because for some reason I can't use these tweezers. I just have trouble using them. Don't know why, but whatever. Then this is the magnetic eyeliner. And then here is a little compact which the magnetic lashes are in. So here are the lashes, and then here is a mirror. So I was gonna use my other mirror, but I might use this mirror instead. It's looking kind of funny though. It's looking kind of funny, like the mirror, looking at the mirror. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the liner on my lid. I'm not gonna do a wing or anything. I'm just gonna do a simple line. So I really don't even care if it looks deep. Why? I'm always dropping. I don't even care if the liner looks decent. Like, it's nighttime. I'm just filming this video, not going nowhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the liner first. Ooh, it has a smell to it, definitely. That looks like, no shade, no tea, but like a beginner liner, y'all know? We all had those moments. So I did do the liner slightly thick. Yeah, I messed up, but it's okay. All right, so you definitely have to make sure that the liner is as close to your real lashes as possible. So it looks like it is. So yeah. Let's go ahead and let's apply these magnetic lashes. Let's see what these magnetic lashes are hitting for. So I'm gonna take the tweezers that they gave me and go ahead and apply these lashes. So the first one that I'm going to apply is, see, I keep dropping everything. So the first one I'm gonna apply is my left eye, which is y'all's right. So let's see how this works out. And I didn't put any mascara on because I want to see how this looks. I don't even think you can put mascara on. Okay. So the tweezers is definitely catching on to the lash, since the lash is magnetic. This is interesting yet annoying, like, because the tweezers keep catching on to the lash. We're just gonna work with this. This is what we're gonna work with. Now let's apply this one. So it looks really weird since I don't have mascara on my real lashes. So, oh, something's poking me in the corner. I mean, like I stated at the beginning of the video, like, I've really never been interested in trying magnetic lashes. And this one over here, like, is poking me in the inner corner of my eye for whatever reason. I mean, they're cute. I mean, they're not my kind of lashes. I wouldn't wear these lashes. Probably wouldn't buy any more magnetic lashes. But, I mean, they're cute. So if you are interested in magnetic lashes, I mean, this will be right up your alley, of course. But I can't knock it. I can't knock it. They're cute. They're a little cute. They're a little cute. So yeah, this is pretty much it for the video. I just wanted to review it and show you guys how these magnetic lashes look and how they work. So I do appreciate iMETHOD for reaching out to me and asking me to try this product for them and give a review. They are very interesting, I must say. Like, anything out of the norm is very interesting. But I'm just not a fan of magnetic lashes. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and share. And if you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Once again, hope you guys enjoy the video and I will see you in my next one.
I would visualize things coming to me that I would want.